Hi everybody, I'm just updating you my seedlings. This is my cabbage and then my purple cabbage there. My runner beans. I can't put them outside now because it's still cold in the night time. And then my lemongrass is still skinny. I don't know what's wrong with it. I think I'm gonna repot it. And my calamansi is still flowering. Yes, they're all big now. Oh nah, it's okay, darling. And then I repot some of my ito alugbati. Oh, I shouldn't bite them. My alugbati, my green, and yung aking aso. And then my my red one, my flower, yung kangkong ko dyan. Yan. That's my kangkong. Oh, my daughter's what we call this? Sunflower is growing now. Look. Yan. Ito yung aking aso. Gusto maglaro. And then ang aking saluyot, there's 3 of them is growing. Ayan ang aking naripat na bok choy. Ito pa yung bok choy ko. And they're all still skinny. And then ang aking sprouts, and ang aking aubergine, at yung aking red alugbati, and the red green spinach, and my red cabbage there. This is mixed in. And ang aking chilies here, my chilies, my tomatoes. Yan, malalaki na ang aking white talong, my aubergine. Yan ang aking from the kitchen. Yan. Look at this. I think I need to repot them. Look how healthy they are. They're very healthy. I-repot ko na sila. Yung aking salad, for salad tomatoes. Yan. Yung cherries. Yung maliit na. I forgot the name. But this one is Florentine. Yung malalaki is Florentine. Maliit kasi yung pots, kaya medyo siguro, but they will survive anyway. And then, yung beans ng aking anak yan. Siya yung nagtanim. Flower 2 dahlias. 2 dahlias here. Iripat ko din to, kasi medyo hindi siya. Yan, ito malaki na talaga. Yan o, namulaklak na. Hindi ko malamig pa sa. I think I planted it too early. Kaya ganyan siya. They are yung massive now. Asian squash. And then, yung aking mixed na aubergine. Yung nakita ko sa YouTube. Yung sabi niya ito daw yung bibilhin na variety kasi maganda daw. Yun, lumaki na yung aking green chilies. Yung aking talong, biglang lumaki na din. Kasi it's so hot inside. Yan. 38 degrees kanina eh. Yan, look how big they are now. They are just very tiny. Last time, just big like this. When I repotted them, ganyan na. Like 1 week. 2 weeks maybe. Yan, ang aking dahlia, nalipat ko din. Ang aking patola. Yan, yung aking Chinese cabbage there. Ang aking patola, malaki na. Kailangan ko na din siya iripat. And then, yung aking dwarf beans, itatanim ko na to siya. Yan. And then, yung aking nag-iisang okra. Yung tinanim ko ng February, iyan yung nabubuhay. Tinanim ko 12. And then, just this one who survive, maybe because it was cold, but this one is surviving. And then ang aking what's the name, courgette, 6 yan, they're mixed. And then this one I repotted it, yung aking succulent na mulaklak na yan, yung Chinese cabbage. I just repotted them and it just grows so fast. Yeah, and then this is my second batch okra. I planted cosmos, like hundreds of them, but just only one survived. So I put there yung aking okra. That's my okra. 7 of them survived. I planted 15. And then, second batch na alugbati. Mahilig kasi ako sa alugbati, kaya I don't mind to plant them in. Ito yung aking new ones. Kakaplant ko lang ng 2 nights ago. Yan. Hindi pa. Mga flower yan. Cosmos. Mga flower yan. Cosmos at saka yung may mga nail dyan. Ito, yan. Yan lang muna. Yung pumpkin. Yan. Yun. Yan lang guys. Yung conservatory namin na napuno ng tanim. Yung aking aso. At ang aking anak. Bye! Thank you for watching.